Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Cooking Your Way Through Life with me, Chef Drake. And today is all about acid. But most of the time we think about acid, most people think about these two, vinegars. No matter the kind of vinegar, but we think about the vinegar anyway. But we're talking about citric acid today. So citrus acid is going to be your citrus fruit. So I have some limes here today, and you can talk about limes, lemons, oranges, grapefruit. I want to talk about the idea that acid itself is so widespread in terms of how we use it, but it's because it can be utilized in so many different ways. So we use acid to not only make ceviche, we use it to actually cook down food. So when you think about ceviche, you're using lime, lemon, grapefruit, orange, all those things. It's so powerful that it can actually denature proteins. So we can use it in that way. And that's usually using the inside of the fruit, using the acid itself. My biggest thing that I really like from acid and citric acid is actually going to be from using the zest as well as the juice itself, because it gives me such a fresh flavor. I still use the juice, but the zest gives me that amazing lime flavor. Then I'm using the acid, which is going to be more the science side. So if you are using a lot of acid in your food, and you already know this, but if you're not, let's say you like Mediterranean food, or you like food that uses a lot of olive oil, even if you like a lot of French food or a lot of food that uses a lot of fat and butter, those things coat your palate. So once you have butter on your palate, once you have oils on your palate, it coats your palate, so it kind of tones down the flavor of things. Even if you make a soup that is finished with heavy cream or half and half, dairy is going to coat your palate, it's going to tone down that flavor. Add a little bit of acid in there. You ever wondered why we give you lemon wedges or lime wedges to go with a lot of Mediterranean food or even with fried foods? It's because that fried food has oil on it. It coats your palate. We want to kind of take that oil away using the science and using the acid itself. It kind of goes on that oil. When it gets in our palate, it actually kind of takes the acidity, kind of washes away that coating, and then you can taste it better. So next time you're at a restaurant, if you don't like, if you're just like, I don't really like lime or lemon, so order the calamari. They'll bring you lime or lemon. Say you like lime more than lemon. Put a little bit of that lime juice on there. Taste the calamari before, add a little bit, taste it the next time. It won't taste so heavy as well, because without having that really good amount of oil on your palate, it tastes a little fresher. So that's one thing that you can think about with acid. Keep in mind that this little citrus goes a long way. Just wanted to talk about that today because I feel like it's a lost thing. And a lot of times when you're at home, you make all these different dishes, you cook all the time. Next time you're cooking something, you're just like, oh man, it's like, it's good, but it's not really there. Like I don't feel like something's missing. Add a little bit of lime juice, lemon zest, lime zest, and try it. Don't change anything but that. Finish it with this. See how you like it. All right. See you next time, guys.
Thank you for watching today's episode. I hope you enjoyed it and maybe even learned something. You know what to do next. Please hit those like, share, and subscribe buttons below and have a great day.